finding area and volume with different units. So an important part of this is going to be able to convert units. For example, changing centimeters to meters or kilometers to miles. Let's try one out quick. Let's say we want to change 40 inches to so many feet. So what we need to do is turn this into a fraction. So we put it over 1. And we're going to multiply by a conversion factor. And that conversion factor is going to have the units that we want in the top and the units that we're getting rid of inches in this case, in the bottom. And then we need to fill in how they're related. 1 foot is 12 inches. Then cross off the units that are the same in the bottom and then the top. We're getting rid of the inches. We want to end up with feet. So we got 40 times 1 is 40, and then 1 times 12 is 12. And we can simplify this to 10 over 3, or 40 inches is 3 1/3 feet. Let's try another one quick. Let's change 10 inches into centimeters. So again, we want to change this into a fraction and multiply by a conversion factor. We want to change it to centimeters, so centimeters will be in the top, inches is what we want to get rid of, and that's going to be in the bottom. And 1 inch is equal to 2 54/100 centimeters. Cross off the units that are the same, seeing that we're ending up with centimeters. And then we multiply. 10 times 2 54/100 is 25 4/10 centimeters. And 1 times 1 is just 1. So 10 inches is 25 4/10 centimeters. All right, we want to find the area in square feet. Notice that we have feet here, so that's good. This one's inches, and so we have a problem. We have to change that into feet. The units need to be the same. So 6 inches over 1, we want to change it to feet. So we put feet. We're getting rid of inches. That's going to be in the bottom. And 1 foot is 12 inches. Cross off the inches. And we see we end up with 6 over 12, which simplifies to a half a foot. So 6 inches is obviously half a foot. Now, area of a rectangle is just base times height. So we got 2 times a half. And that is 1 square foot. Find the volume in cubic inches. Well, we can see that we have 3 different units that are in inches, but we do have the height of the prism in feet, and that's 1 foot. Well, obviously 1 foot, we don't have to do too much work. That is equal to 12 inches. Now, the volume of a prism is equal to the area of the base times the height of the prism. The area of the base is going to be the area of this triangle, which is having a base of 6 and a height of 8. Area of triangle is 1/2 times the base times the height. So half of 48, which is 24, times the height of the prism. The height of the prism is the distance between the two bases. In this case, the prism is 12 inches tall. So our volume is 24 times 12, which is 288 inches cubed.